All right. In the previous video, we went over the background and notes needed to understand how to set these problems up. This is for assignment 5.1b is the one that's assigned for homework. We're going to go over the practice problems, which are just like the ones for the homework. So if you pay attention to this, you should have no issues on the homework. If you were absent on the day that we went over this, I highly recommend going back and watching that video. I just recorded it. It's titled Interior Exterior Angle Sum Notes. So these are the list. This is a list of formulas that you're gonna use right here. So go ahead and write these down on that page. Now you're looking to differentiate between two different sets of terms. First, you're looking for interior and exterior, and then second, you're the sum of the angles, whether you're looking for the sum or each individual angle. So right here, I want you to go ahead and write next to interior and exterior. I want you to go ahead and write each there. So when you see the word each, you know you're going to be using one of those two. Now, when working these problems and any other problems in geometry, I want you to get in the habit of writing out the equation of the problem and showing all your work. So this will always need to be done for full credit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the first couple of problems all the way through, but for time's sake, I'm not going to work them all the way out. Okay? So for number one, again, we're looking for two things. We're looking for interior, exterior, and then sum or each angle or individual angle. So I want you to go through here and I want you to circle the keywords. So we're looking for interior and exterior. Okay, right here, we've got interior angle, and then we've got each. Okay, so we've got each interior, right? So each interior, so these two right here are interior, and these two right here are exterior. So once you identify the words, you can just come up here and use the formula. Now, on the test, you're not going to have each of these. You're going to have to know how to do these. So as far as the exterior angle problems, you're just going to have to remember that it's 360. So you want to try not to look up here, but I understand if at the beginning you need to. And then for the interior angles, all you do is you just take the number of sides and subtract 2 from it and then multiply by 180. And then that's for the sum. And then if you need the individual angle, you just divide by the number of sides. So here it says each interior angle of a regular octagon. So octagon has 8 sides, and you're going to want to refer to this page as often as possible, your little cheat sheet. I really want you to refer to this and try to get your answer from here first, because eventually you will, if you use it enough, you will memorize it and not have to use it anymore. So regular octagon, so we want the measure of each interior angle. So we come over here, octagon, so that's going to be 8. So here, this is the total, and this is going to be each individual angle, so it's just going to be 135. But I want you to get in the habit of writing, so it's going to be n minus 2 times 180. Okay, so n is 8, so 8 minus 2 times 180. 6 times 180 is going to be 1,080. And now since it's each, we take that 1,080, divide by 8, and we get 135, like that. Okay, so each interior angle. So again, you take the total number, subtract 2 from it, multiply it by 180, or just refer to this chart. Okay. So for number 2, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular 20-gon? So for exterior angle, think 360. All right, so 360. And so go ahead and circle the keywords, each exterior, so 360, and then we're going to divide by the number. So we're just going to do 360 divided by 20, and that is going to give us 18 degrees. So each exterior angle is going to be 18 degrees. So number 3, what is the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the 27-gon? So we're going to circle interior and sum. So interior again is going to be sum, so we're going to use this one right here. So we take 27 and subtract 2 from it, and times 180. So that's the formula. So we put 27 there, so we get 25 times 180. Okay, and then you just multiply that out, and that'll be, so you're going to need to go ahead and finish that out. Okay. And number 4, what's the sum of the interior angles of a polygon? The sum of the interior angles is 1620. How many sides does the polygon have? Okay, so for this one, it's sum interior. Okay, so sum right here. So we're gonna have to set this up, and we're looking for the n. So we're gonna have n minus 2 times 180 equals 1620. So what we're gonna do is when we have a problem like this, we divide both sides by 180. 1620 divided by 180 is 11. And actually, if you look right here on our chart, we just come down here, we know that one is going to be 11. So, but if we ended up doing it this way, this would cancel. 1620 divided by 180 is 9. That's what, okay. And then when you finish working that out, plus 2, that's what we get, n equals 11. All right, sorry about that. All right. Again, you can just refer to it right there for the answer. All right, so for 5 and 6, the way you're going to set these up, these are the ones that probably give you the most difficulty, is you're going to count the number of angles. And so this is interior angles, so it's going to be sum. So we're using this right here. So it's 1, it's probably easier to count the angles on the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so this is a 7-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so it's going to be 7-sided figure is going to have 900 degrees total. So we take, what you're going to do is you're going to add all of these up and set it equal to 900. So you'll set it up like this. X plus 148 plus 140 plus 136 plus 142 plus 150 plus 90. Don't forget about the right angle. Equals 900. When you subtract all that, so what you'll do is you'll add all these up and then subtract that total from 900, and you'll end up getting 48 plus 40. Well, anyway, you can go ahead and do that. It's not too easy. So that's how you would set that one up. For this one, all right, so we know the total here is going to be 360 because it's a 4-sided figure. And so you do the same thing, x plus 9 plus 55 plus 110 equals 360. So you add those up right there, subtract them from 360, and that will give you x. All right, so for 7, here you're going to add up the total number of sides, or angles, doesn't matter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, we count them just in case to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so 10-sided figure is going to be 1440. Each angle is going to be 144. So that means this right here is 144. Okay, so then we set it up like this. Plus 4 equals 144. All right, so you set it up like this, and then solve for x. And we just subtract 4, divide by 10. Okay, for number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 6-sided figure. It's a hexagon. So the total is going to be 720. All right, so we got the total. So then now we would just add up all of those and set it equal to 720. So we would just combine like terms. So 6x plus 8x plus 5x plus 7x. That's what, 13, 8 is 21, 5. So that's what, 26x. And then we'll do 110. We'll do that last. So let's do minus 1 plus 36. That's 35. Plus 116 is 151. Plus 19 is 170, minus 2 is 168, plus that is 278, is that right? Do it again to double check. Let's go this way. 110, it's a 108, 127, 243, 279, minus 1, 278, yep, plus 278 equals, let me see, it's a hexagon, 720. And that's how you set that one up. So for number 9, you will, that's exterior, so it's going to be 360, so you would just add all those up, set them equal to 360. So 7, 5, 12, 16, 25, 29, 29x, 4, 8, 17, 11, 12 plus 12 equals 360. And then this one, again, that's going to be 360, so this plus this plus this plus this equals 360. All right, so that's how you would do those. So for the homework, all those questions are going to be just like those.